some of the salt, go get the seed. Because me I tell no, say somebody I try out for me, man, ask Christ.
What a guan family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Well guys, today we just want to carry one little video, come put it on here so and make you analyze it for yourself and tell me what you get from it. Because as you might have heard, Shenseea did meet in a one little accident the other day. Well, now she feels somebody after her. Yes, she feels somebody I try to kill her. So I'll put on the video. I wanna watch it and tell me what you think about it. So because you can't fight down a person for them feelings. So just watch it and tell me what you think about it. Alright? And remember to like and share it. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of the other videos I have coming up.
The wall. And even then, I'm a seatbelt. Because if I never my seatbelt, I feel like more that fly through the windscreen. Because that blood clot liquid get. Right now, my back and my spine jerk up. My right hand spraying. It'll get better still. Just my wrist kind of fuck up right now. But I'm gonna pull through. I know no family I worry. I just say, Ramesh, put out the announcement quickly. Just tell me I'm okay. Right now we're both to go to the beach as Roger done going on business already. I go wash off some of the salt with it on me. I go wash off some of the salt with it on me. Give it back to the seed. Because trouble the day now. They watch out for me now. Go and go look now. I go carry back some of the salt, go get the seed. Because me I tell no, say somebody I try out for me, man, ask Christ. But guess what? Prayer me believe in 100%. But trouble the day. Fuck where I go on in my life. So forgive me if you're not just a soul right about now. Got too much things that reach me. I will just sit down yourself. Probably my come. You're so pretty. Thank you, baby. River water in it. Me say me I take every water. Me I take salt water, mineral water, river water, pipe water, every water I take wash me up. Me say, I don't even understand what I go on. When I done some sacrifice my mother already. So see, then start to me I sacrifice myself. I'm gonna sacrifice myself. I'm gonna sacrifice myself. I'm mad, I'm a mad boy, Me say, I'm a mad boy, man. Proto, you know see? Proto today, big up yourself. EP, your album drop, I need to get a post. And that's weird because I just make a video, I big up every artist in a dance hall and say, I almost need to get for post the damn video. So now that time I dip on my life, I tell everybody I go road the night before. And I say, yo, the artists them in a dance hall, them are going, damn good. The unity, everything, but I we've been come together a long time and just work and put up music for the people, make the people them enjoy themselves. Oh, go on. Girl, I want to see. Me dey on live. Lucky door. At least for this them. Oh, me at this them fam. Busy about people, man. When I busy about people, you know, if I not see that by now, I not understand when I get see that. When I always ask me how I deal with so much hate. Brother, I just not deal with it, period. I not give a shit. So when I hear me even address certain things, I address it because I want to address it. I because I want to address it. If I want to sit down and address shit, I have to do that shit. I tell you. If I have nothing to chat about me, address it. But the body, still, you know, not 100, but I'll be okay, though, that's for sure, because I can feel myself a come on. Yesterday was bad, though. Yesterday I had fever, take me on a bag of something. I want to see you perform so bad. Tell them for open up the country, man. I'm ready for performing now. I'm ready for perform. Now, can see it want a remix? Yes, you know. So, yeah, my big thing. Whoa. Thoughts about WAP. WAP? Listen, WAP. I love everything about that video there. Woman empowerment. It screams woman empowerment, me I tell you. I'ma love that shit. Hi, Shen. How you doing, like people? No, people not get to me now. But I'm gonna call somebody else right about now. Any new songs soon? Yes, I'm gonna be releasing sure. Very soon.